Are you an ambitious food entrepreneur? Then it's time for the next step. NetSuite, the #1 cloud software suite. Food companies are continuously innovating to comply with the ever-changing wishes and requirements of consumers, supply chain partners, and the government. This demands the use of modern technology that fully supports this innovation and can readily be adapted to changing circumstances. Are your ambitions still sufficiently supported by your current ERP system? Wouldn't it be great if you never had to spend money on servers, upgrades and re-implementations again? Your business software was able to grow with your company. You were able to monitor the performance of your company in real time anywhere in the world. You finally had extra time for optimizing customer relationships and developing new concepts. NetSuite is a complete cloud-based business software system. All essential functionalities are available in one solution, including ERP, CRM, e-commerce, business intelligence, and warehouse management. There is no need for complex interfaces because all these functionalities use the same source data. Working from the cloud will help you reduce IT costs to a minimum. Upgrades, including customization, are seamlessly carried out in the cloud, without the need for cumbersome projects. Our cloud solution offers you the peace of mind you need so that you can fully focus on your business. Are you wondering what it costs to switch to FoodQloud? Then request a no-obligation quote via www.foodcloud.com.